Right now, there's a big trend online, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can make money online with this trend. And you're going to want to jump on this fast because, as you can see, this goes up and down quite a lot right now. And at this point in time, it's at its peak, and this is when you're going to make the most money. Now, this isn't some complicated marketing funnel or anything like that. This is not some rubbish method. This is one that actually works right now. You can start doing this today. And in fact, I'm going to show you a way that you can do this without using any expensive AI tools. And this works from anywhere in the world. You can be here, 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 here. It doesn't matter. You can be anywhere in the world to make money online with this method. Let's get started. All right, guys. So before I jump into this, I want to go ahead and explain to you why right now this specific method is a great way to make money online. Now, you've probably noticed that there's a thing called inflation where prices are going up over time due to specific things that are happening in the world. Now, on average, inflation goes up around about 2%, 3% per year. It's a little bit more at this point in time, but it is rising significantly, and it is going to keep rising significantly, at least in the near to medium term. But we can actually make money off this because when inflation goes up, there are some things online that we can actually make money from because they get more popular in that specific time because of inflation. So let me explain to you exactly what I mean and how you can make money online from this specific method and trend. So first of all, when I do all of my methods, we need to find something that's simple to understand. And in this specific method, we don't want to use expensive AI tools. So usually we do use AI tools to do most of my tutorials and videos. But in this video, I've decided to go away from that because some of these tools can become really expensive, especially now. I've noticed that a lot of them are upping their prices. We want to get traffic quickly, and it must be a trending topic, meaning that it's popular on Google Trends. And I'll explain to you why we want it to be popular on Google Trends. So if you don't know how Google works, you should, but Google is a specific platform, a website, google.com. People go to Google, and this is a really weird looking page, but on Google, you have things like Google Shopping, for example, at the top. On Google Shopping, you'll have a list of specific products. So whatever you search for on Google, you'll have some products. Let me show you what that looks like right now. So if I go fishing rod, for example, we have these sponsored products. These are Google shopping ads, and people can actually click on shopping, and it's going to take them to more of these specific products. So this is what Google Shopping is, very, very popular. And then we also have other things down here. We have some more down here, etc. Right? So Google is basically just full of sponsored ads for this specific product. So this is actually going to be important for this method because we are going to dive into this. We actually look how many listings there are. This is insane. So we have it right here. We have it right here. We go down. We have it right here. And are we in all? Yes, we're in all right now. We keep going down. Okay, and it's here. So that's insane. Look at all of the real estate Google Shopping takes up. So that's kind of what Google looks like. Basically what I just showed you, we have some shopping ads, we have some text websites, we have more shopping ads. So how can we capitalize on this and actually make some money from this? First of all, we need to find something that's trending on Google. This is important because if we go and find something that people are not interested in, like for example, we know people want to buy fishing rods, probably it's like a general thing. But if we find that something on Google, people are not searching it, then there's no point in us trying to make money from this. So the first thing we need to do is we need to find something that is actually trending right now. And you remember that I talked about inflation before. Well, there is something that's trending right now because of inflation, and that is called the savings tracker. And what this means is people are trying to save money because things are getting kind of out of control right now, or they're just trying to budget a bit better. They're trying to figure out where their money's going because maybe they're spending a little bit more than they want to. Just generally, savings trackers are really good in these times, okay? So what we've done is we've found a specific keyword, savings tracker right here, that is trending right now on Google. So what that means is we know that people are putting the search terms savings tracker into Google. We know that that's what they're doing. So if we go here to savings tracker, what do we see right here? We see all of these sponsored posts. So how can we go ahead and capitalize on this? What we can do is we can actually go ahead and we can make quite a bit of money with these. But first of all, we need to talk about one thing, and that is using AI. So what we could potentially do is we could go ahead and make a savings tracker with Claude, ChatGPT, Base 44, and all sorts of other AI software. The problem is you actually have to go through and do the prompts. You have to figure it all out. You have to do all of the stuff to get it onto Google spreadsheets, etc. And if you're a complete beginner, that's not the best way to do it. So what we can do is we can go over to Etsy and we can put in savings tracker, PLR, and we can actually buy a savings tracker. Let's go here. So here we go, budget spreadsheet, where we actually get the rights to resell it. So I could buy this here for, we'll just assume that this one has a PLR, might not, but you can find one. I can buy it for $21 and then I can resell it as many times as I like. There are plenty that are like that. We have this one here. Here we go. Here we go. PLR savings tracker. So what that means is we get the rights. We can buy this right now and we can resell this for personal and commercial use, which means that we can go and resell this. We pay $21 once and we can resell this as many times as we'd like. This is a very good way to do it because $21, I would easily chew that up trying to make my own with AI. All right, so I'm going to now assume that you've gone ahead and you've made a purchase of some sort of PLR savings tracker. Now, like I said, guys, let's do the math here because it's kind of crazy, right? You are going to go out and purchase something for that, and that was $20 New Zealand. So let's do USD. It's going to be around about $12 USD for that one that I just showed you, okay? So this one right here is around about $12 USD. If you want to use Claude and you want to make something with Claude, first of all, you have to pay for it. So let's go upgrade plan. I'm going to be looking at around about $34 per month. You're going to have to spend time making the app, all of that sort of stuff, making the spreadsheet and everything like that. It's going to take you a lot of time, okay? So it's going to cost you way more money to use Claude to go ahead and do this specific method when we can buy something right now that's working and we can resell it, okay? So now let's go through the blueprint of exactly how to make money with this. Number one, you're going to have your product. So we know this is simple to understand. We're not going to use expensive AI tools. We can get traffic quickly and it's trending. So we now have our trending product, which is going to be the spreadsheet that has like the savings things. You have like a little pie chart, you have like some text, your budget planner, etc. All right. So this is our product. This is P. This is our product. We're going to call this P. Okay. This is important. This is the product. We have it. Now, how do we go ahead and make money? Now, you could do what everybody else does, and you can go, hey, I want to go ahead and just sell it on Etsy, resell it on Etsy. Now, you can do that if you'd like, but there's a better way where you have more control. Now, we know that people are searching on here. So the next thing to understand is that we have our product. Where do we go to get the traffic? So we know that people right now are searching on Google for that specific keyword that we put in here. Savings tracker, budget tracker, cost tracker, all of these keywords that we can potentially use. So we already have an audience that we can find. We already have a place where we can find an audience. People are already searching for those keywords, so they are called BI. And what BI means is called buyer intent. We call it BI in our business. Buyer intent. It means people are already searching for that, so they're already inclined to make a purchase. They're probably going to buy. They are ready to buy. They're ready to put their money down. They're ready to make a purchase. So this is what you want to do. You want to go ahead and you want to make yourself a, let's see if we get some different colors here. We want to go ahead and make ourselves a Shopify store, okay? On that Shopify store, what's going to happen is we are then what we're going to go and do is we're going to actually promote our Shopify store, okay, to Google Ads. We're going to go start a merchant account and we are going to go and do Google Ads, and we're going to have our little store show up in Google here. And what that means is our store is then going to show up in this area right here. And you can actually use AI to do this because Shopify has full AI systems now that we can use. And this is very important to understand because we have full control here. We have the product, we have our traffic source, which is buyer intent Google traffic. We have our store, and then we have our traffic source here where we put our store onto Google. And what happens is people go and search, they click our ad, they go back to our store, and they are probably going to buy our product. Remember, these people are buyer intent. They already have in their mind that they want to make a purchase from you. And that's it, guys. It's that simple. Go and find something to purchase, PL savings tracker. We have our trending search traffic right here. We are going to go ahead and use that to put ads up here. We're not going to be using expensive AI products. And you're going to start a Shopify store to go ahead and do advertising to that. So go and learn how to do Google advertising. I'll see you guys in the next video.